There's our Uber driver, ACHR111. How are we gonna fit?
Rafa, you go in first. You sit over there. You're gonna squeeze in the back.
Hello.
Hello,
Are your
Mohammed.
glasses?
Yeah. What about government? How are you?
What about you?
Good.
Good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you busy today?
No,
No?
no busy. Nobody in the city.
Oh yeah?
Oh, everybody's in the
Yeah.
city.
No.
Oh.
It's always like this every year?
No, like 1 week. It's very slow, but today it was very slow.
Oh,
Just came in the morning, but
I
like-
see.
yeah, it is very slow. So 3 times I said let's go home, and then I got a customer 1 mile, and then with 20 minutes again 1 mile. Yeah, people they making barbecue. They are eating.
Oh, stay home, huh?
They stay home. Yes, that's why they are not.
Okay.
And the gas is expensive.
Gas is very expensive.
Yeah, it went up like crazy.
Yeah, so that's why it's like. Gas is very expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you guys live?
Riverside.
Riverside?
Yeah. So you drove for both company?
Yeah.
Lift? Sometimes they have a lift like a box of like a light box.
Oh yeah,
Why?
yeah. The light train. I don't want to use that.
Oh, okay.
There is something extra.
Oh yeah? You gotta pay?
No, you should not pay for that.
Oh.
I don't like it. You have to put the line here. And,
Cable.
everybody knows. When you get there, everybody knows.
How long have you lived in San Francisco?
1 year.
Well, that's not a lot.
Yeah, it's less time, but
Where are you from?
I'm from Afghanistan.
Okay.
Yeah. And where are you from originally?
Oh, Vietnam.
Vietnam.
So you lived in other part of the United States when you came from Afghanistan.
Yeah, I lived 2 years in Texas.
Oh, Texas.
Your English is excellent.
I don't know, but some people says that you speak good English, but I don't know.
For you to have been in Texas for 2 years and here 1 year,
Yeah, 3 years.
so are many Afghans speak English as a second language?
No. No, I was here, but I was like 6 months here
Mm-hmm.
and 4 months at home.
Oh,
I
okay.
went to Afghanistan 4 months. 6 months here, 4 months over there. Like,
Oh, okay.
I was 2 years in America, 1 year in Afghanistan.
Oh,
Yeah,
you,
but
Okay.
you
yeah,
alternate. Oh, okay.
yeah.
Oh, because your family is back home?
my wife, my kids, yeah.
Oh. So you only see them a third of the year?
I see them every 6 months.
Okay, twice a year.
Yeah, twice a year.
Oh. How many kids do you have?
3.
Very good.
Yeah, 3 kids.
So you learn English over
In
there
school.
or here?
No, over there.
Oh, over there. Okay.
So after 1 year, you know all the neighborhoods in San Francisco?
Yeah.
Yeah? Very
Yeah,
good.
Yeah, and I drove like more than 100 miles to Sacramento. I drove to Santa Cruz like 80 mile, 90 mile, San Rafael, Napa, I went
Yeah.
everywhere.
Wow.
Yeah, I know all the Bay Area.
Oh,
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah, and then, yeah.
Because if you're not familiar, you will get lost around San Francisco.
No, it was difficult at the beginning. I was using map everywhere, but right now if I don't have customer, I don't use map.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, I can go everywhere that I want.
Then you have a good memory.
And when I came from Texas, I drove my car. This one,
Oh,
28 hours, 2,500 miles.
Wow.
Yeah,
how long did it take you?
28 hours. I did that in.
Oh, so you go straight? You didn't stop and sleep?
I was stopping like.
Take a nap?
Yeah.
Yeah, because 20.
Yeah, like one time I took a break in New Mexico
Yes.
for 7 hours. I think I slept there,
Okay.
and then I start again, and then I had another break in Los Angeles,
Where?
Los Angeles,
Los
LA,
Angeles.
Yeah, yes.
and then the next stop at home.
Oh, yeah. Look at the clock. See it?
That was a long trip.
It was 28 hours, but I'm glad you have a 7-hour break in New
Yeah, I
Mexico.
was taking my break. It was good. I had all my food here in a trash can over there.
You planned it very well.
Yeah. I had everything with myself.
That's very strategic. That's very good.
Yeah, even I took some tablet for headache.
Oh,
But I
aspirin.
didn't use it, but I got that, but I didn't. I said maybe. Because there was desert, like, I could get gas like when I used half tank.
Mm-hmm.
They made it like that in half tank you can get to another gas station. So
Mm.
yeah.
That's Pier 41.
Barbecue here. Oh, that's why they party.
Street barbecue.
I thought it would be more busy on July 4th in San Francisco.
No.
So as a driver, you just gonna wait over there until other customer need to go somewhere else, because
To
you
come
don't
back?
leave, right? You stay at Pier 41. So, because we're not familiar with Uber.
Oh, we are going from there.
Oh, so you wait right there until
Mm.
another customer needs to
No,
move?
no, I can get that on app. Like they give me
Customer.
like customer. I don't
Oh.
know. Like when I drop you, they give me right away another customer.
Really?
Yeah. Like if they don't give me, I drive like a little bit and then they give me another one because here there is no space to park. Like
Oh,
if you
yeah.
park, you have to pay.
Yes. Oh, so you can't park and wait?
No, how much?
Yeah.
How to pay? Like there is no. We have to park 80 times a
Lose-
day.
lose money.
We lose $200.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Yeah,
So
everything you have to pay. That's it.
so the maker of the app has a system where you pick up another customer right away after you drop us off.
It's not like right away. If
Oh,
there
okay.
is any driver close to the customer, they give it to the guy who is closer.
Right.
Yeah,
Or who gets there first.
yeah.
Oh.
I
So there's
mean-
a system.
I mean, I was standing with my friends here. If the guy is on that side, the customer, he get it because it's closer to him, right?
Right.
If he's here, I get it. It comes
Oh.
into my phone.
Mm.
So it doesn't matter. They just see that who's closer to the customer.
Oh, because you were closest to us at Buchanan.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can see that in your app.
Right. But I didn't select you though, right? Because the app just or did I select?
Like, it's like you can see the car. If you select, it means that you are a little bit busy. You want the driver to come a little bit late, right? So that's why you can see the cars there too.
It's a school. Daddy already found another lock near me. This sweatshirt, cardigan.
The first place that I saw is busy is here.
Yes, we can walk whenever it's safe for you to drop us off.
Okay.
There's a limo right there.
Don't play with this car.
No limo.
No, he wanted to go this way, and then he said, "Okay, no, go. Let's go straight."
Oh, because it's so busy right here.
Yeah, because that's too long. Okay, go straight. Don't make a
Yeah.
left and right.
So he gets customer faster that way.
Yeah, that's too long. It's not easy to drive that thing here.
Oh, that's a Lyft or Uber too.
This is left
Oh,
only.
Lyft only. So have you ever run into like a bad customer?
Bad customer?
Like they get drunk, they don't want to get out the car, or
No, not like that.
no?
I see some people, they're sleeping here,
Oh.
and then they don't get up. Like when you tell him, "Hey, you this is your home. Get off my car." He said, Say, what? Get
Ooh, I
off.
have gum.
Uh-huh.
Gum.
Yeah, sometimes.
I see.
Yeah, especially on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah.
Oh, on the
Well,
weekend now.
This blue cardigan is like.
So do they block some of the road for the fireworks?
I'm not sure.
Not
I
sure?
haven't been there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is busy here. I don't know why.
Uh-huh.
Maybe lots of people.
Oh, that car cuts in front of you. It's an Uber too.
Yeah, let him do
And a
what he
Lyft,
wanna
too.
do.
Here's a police officer.
Yeah.
There's one behind us too.
Uh-huh.
Uber and Lyft.
Yeah, Uber and Lyft
You
a
hold
lot
on to
here.
the traffic. There's another cop and they all Chinese.
Most of them are Chinese.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Police, yeah. Here.
Some parts of